Hello, my name is Blendy Joy Adolphine. I'm 21 years old. I'm a Filipino and currently staying here in the Philippines. I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Operations Management at College of St. John Rojas de La Salle, supervised. I've been teaching English language for 2 years now. I grabbed the opportunity to be an ESL teacher where I teach to Koreans, Japanese, and Chinese way back then. I also work as a customer service representative in an American account where I talk to different kinds of Americans 24/7. Talking with foreign students is my passion, and I love to hear new things from them, and it makes me so grateful when they learn a lot from me. I am here to develop your skills in English language, guarantee that I will be your best teacher as lively as possible. And I'll make sure to you that after your class with me, you'll be able to learn new things with confidence. Thank you.